How to log into Bank of the Ozarks online banking. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to www.google.com. In the search bar, type Bank of the Ozarks and press Enter. From the search results, carefully locate and click on the official website of Bank of the Ozarks. Once on the homepage, navigate to the Online Banking section and select your preferred banking option. In the Login section, enter your user ID. Next, enter your password in the appropriate field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. If you are a new user, select Enroll in Online Banking to begin the registration process. Finally, click on Login to securely access your online banking account.